Okay, so this is our little Mini, and well, I'll show you what's happening. We'll unlock it. So you saw that there, ever so slightly just came up. I'll pop it down and it comes up really slowly, and then what we're trying to do is get in here and start the car. And watch what's happening. So put the key in, airbag light comes on, turning the key, absolutely nothing's happening. So it's just really a short video to demonstrate the Clarke Jumpstart 4000. This will start anything I've ever tried to start before. So I'll just take the keys out, pop the bonnet, alright, so we've now got the Jumpstart 4000 hooked up to the vehicle. Let's pop around and it should start it first time. Huh. Oh, we've got something now. Well, that's quite strange because I've never had, it's never taken that long before. I didn't think I was going to do it at first, but there we go. We're started and we are ready to rock and roll.